From free product samples to loyalty programs, viral marketing campaigns rely heavily on understanding and influencing consumer behaviors. However, not all approaches to shaping behaviors are equally effective. This video argues that taking a behavior-analytic perspective provides marketers with a strategic advantage in the quest to motivate purchase decisions. Behavior analysis offers a scientific framework rooted in principles of reinforcement, operant in classical conditioning, and social learning, which are all principles that govern all human behavior, including consumer behaviors in the marketplace. By applying these principles, marketers can gain valuable insights into what truly motivates consumers, and then they can implement targeted strategies to strengthen approach tendencies toward their brands. The purpose of this video is to explore the key behaviors involved in marketing from a behavior analytic perspective and discuss why taking a behavior analytic approach gives marketers a strategic advantage in influencing consumer purchase decisions. Specifically, this video will examine how marketers aim to shape behaviors like product trials, repeat purchasing, word-of-mouth referrals, and cognitive brand associations through principles of reinforcement, classical conditioning, and social learning. It will argue that understanding behavior analysis allows marketers to gain insight into what motivates consumer behavior and implement strategies that differentially reinforce approach tendencies linked to their products and services. Overall, this video aims to demonstrate how a behavior analytic lens provides marketers with a scientific framework for effectively influencing purchase decisions over time. Marketing is an essential part of any business that aims to sell products or services. At its core, marketing involves influencing customer behaviors to increase sales and profits. By understanding customer behaviors and applying principles from behavior analysis, marketers gain valuable insight into what motivates purchase decisions. One important behavior marketers seek to influence is product trial. Getting potential customers to try a new product is critical for building brand awareness and loyalty. Marketers deploy sampling campaigns, free trials, and generous return policies to lower barriers preventing initial product use. Behavior analysis reveals that simply exposing individuals to a stimulus, like free samples, can increase the likelihood of approach behaviors through classical conditioning. Repeated positive experiences strengthen approach tendencies and make future purchases more probable. Marketers can leverage this principle by making initial experiences with the product as positive and easy as possible. Another key behavior is repeat purchasing. A business's most profitable customers make multiple purchases over time rather than being one-time buyers. Marketers aim to shape repeat purchase habits through reinforcement. Loyalty programs, discounts for regular customers, and convenience-oriented shopping experiences all serve to positively reinforce repeat purchasing. Behavior analysis teaches that behaviors followed by positive reinforcement will increase their frequency. By rewarding loyalty, marketers strengthen the habit of repeat purchases and increase customer lifetime value. Word-of-mouth referrals represent an important behavior shaped through social reinforcement. Positive recommendations from friends and family can be a very persuasive influence on purchase decisions. Marketers tap into social networks by making products shareable experiences and incentivizing customer referrals. From a behavior analytic perspective, behaviors that result in social rewards from one's peer group will be strengthened and maintained. Marketers effectively harness the power of social reinforcement dynamics to generate buzz and viral growth. Purchase behaviors also involve cognitive processes that can be better understood through behavior analysis. For example, branding aims to shape how consumers think about and emotionally connect with a company or product. Positive brand associations become conditioned cognitive responses that can influence later purchasing decisions. Marketers build brands by consistently linking their products to favorable emotional experiences and positive imagery, thereby strengthening approach tendencies through classical conditioning at an implicit cognitive level. A behavior analytic lens provides insights into how to shape implicit cognitive processes that impact purchase decisions. In summary, behavior analysis gives marketers a strategic edge to shape consumer behaviors over time. Whether aiming to increase trial rates, strengthening repeat purchasing habits, generating positive word of mouth, or building emotional brand connections, effective marketing depends on understanding how to differentially reinforce approach or avoidance tendencies linked to products and services. By viewing the customer as an active decision maker whose behaviors are lawfully determined, behavior analysis provides a scientific framework. To end, As you can see with this perspective, marketers can develop more impactful strategies by differentially reinforcing the behaviors they want to see increased. While many factors influence purchase decisions, behavior analysis provides marketers with a research-backed approach for influencing consumer behaviors at both implicit and explicit levels. Those who leverage the principles of reinforcement, classical conditioning, and social learning will best be equipped to gain and retain loyal customers in today's highly competitive global marketplace. My name is Troy, everyone. If you liked today's video, please smash that like button, subscribe to help the channel, and turn on notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss a video.